it's always sad when people want to close a business down. To me, anyway, I'm getting a bit teary talking about it. But to close a business down, first of all, you've got to ask a few questions. What's the format of the business? Are you a limited company? Are you a sole trader? Are you a partnership? What's the format of the company? The second thing is, are you intending to reopen? Is this a pause? Do you owe any money? So if you don't owe any money and you've got no liabilities and it's a limited company, you can just apply for it to be struck off. It might be a good idea. I don't know if we act for you or not, but if you do, phone one of the accountants and we'll put what they call cessation accounts in to show we've written accounts up to date, and then we file them, and HMRC can object if they don't like you having the company struck off. But it's a fairly simple procedure. You make the application. You can't apply for 3 months until from your last date of trade. So if your last date of trade is today, you can't apply for it to be struck off within 3 months, because the idea is you're not allowed to have any debt. So if you do have any debt, you could end up getting into trouble for trying to strike it off. But again, with all these things, I say, come and talk to me. If you're a sole trader and it's your own company, you've got no limited company, you just put in your last tax return, tell HMRC that you're not trading anymore, and that's it. If you've got any debts, you'll have to pay them off, or come to some agreement. It's as simple as that. It's all about whether you have a liability or whether you don't.